Hello and welcome to another Bitesize Piano lesson. In this lesson I'm going to teach you 5 really easy tunes on piano which is suitable if you're a complete beginner. They will hopefully be tunes you should recognise. There's going to be no hand movement and we're going to be in this hand position for every single one. So we'll go through the finger numbers, we'll go through the note names, and everything will be listed on the top screen as well. And I'll say the notes as well. So let's dive in. So this is middle C. So you need to locate this pitch on your keyboard or piano and put both of your thumbs on there, sharing middle C. These are your ones. Your twos will be on B and D. Your threes, your middle fingers, will be on A and E. Your fours will be on G and F. And your fives, your little fingers, will be on F and G. So you have ones on C's, twos on B and D, threes on A and E, fours on G and F, and fives on F and G. So on the screen, the left hand will be colour-coded blue and the right hand will be colour-coded orange. So the first one we're going to look at is Ode to Joy, which is the main theme from Beethoven's 9th Symphony. The notes are already on the screen there, and which notes will be playing in which hand. So it starts with E. So E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D. This one is mostly the right hand, so do that again. And then we almost do that again, so starting with the E. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. So remember to pause the video if you need to work on one section at a time, or to write down any notes on a piece of paper. And then the next part goes, again the notes are on the screen, so we have D, D, E, C, D, E, F, E, C. Let's do that a little bit again from the D. And the next bit goes D, E, F, E, D, C, D, and then the left hand comes in with this G. So that section goes. And then we play the first bit again. So now play it all the way through. make sure you're keeping the same fingers over the same notes all of the time, and you're using the same fingers every single time you practice, and make sure your wrists aren't sunk and your fingers are slightly rounded. So now we're going to go on to the second one, which is row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So we start on the G in the left hand. So we go G, 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 A, B, B, A, B, C, D. I do that first bit again. And then we have this G next, 3 times, and then 3 Ds, 3 Bs, 3 Gs. So that bit goes merrily, 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 merrily. And the last part, we need this D, D, C, B, A, G. So I'll play all of that from the beginning. Sing with it. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So the third one then is the main theme from Tchaikovsky's Swan Lake. So this one, you're going to need to place, instead of your third finger in your right hand on E, we're going to use this black key here, E flat. We're going to play the third finger of A flat instead of A. So we're in this position instead. So we're taking our 3s, moving them down to the next black keys. So we've got A flat, E flat. We're going to start with a G in the right hand. So we've got G, C, D, E flat, F, G, E flat, G, E flat, G, and then C, E flat, C, A flat, E flat, C. It doesn't matter which thumb you use, your right hand or your left hand, to play this C. So let's do that first bit again. So from this G. Next bit goes F, E flat, D, and then we play it from the beginning again. So G, C, D, E flat, F, G. So I'll play that all of the way through now. Okay, so the fourth one then is Auld Lang Syne, which is a traditional Scottish song. So you may know this one. So we're going to start with this F, and you need your second finger in your left hand, instead of on B flat, so the black key just below it. So we have F, B flat, B flat, B flat, then D, C, B flat, C, D, B flat, B flat, D, F, G. I do that first bit again. And the next part goes G, F, D, D, B flat, C, B flat, C, D, C, B flat, G, G, F, B flat. So I'll do that last bit again. So if I play this all the way through now. So the last one, the fifth one, is Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So we don't need any black keys for this. So we're going to start this from G in your left hand. So we go G, G, A, G, C, B, G, G, A, B, D, C. Let's do that first bit again. And then we have left hand G again, G, G, and then the right hand G. E, C, and then B, A. So I'll do that again. And then we have an F in the right hand. F, F, E, C, D, C. So let's play that all the way through. Singing Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Let me know which tune is your favourite and which one you enjoyed playing the most, and if you enjoyed this video and you would like more tunes, be sure to comment down below so I know to make another one like this one. So I hope to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Goodbye. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.